Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
ओके
Good afternoon, sir.
असाइन गुड आफ्टरनून असाइनमेंट में उत्कर्ष गुप्ता आर यू प्रेजेंट? ओके शिवानी शिवानी ओके स्वर्णलता रानी प्रेजेंट?
Yes, sir.
कौन?
And Lata, sir.
हाँ तुम्हारा मिसिंग दिखा रहा है
I have submitted it.
assignment. Okay, your assignment is showing missing. Though there is attachment, but your assignment is shown missing.
I have submitted, sir.
I know you have submitted,
Sir.
but there is a option to. हाँ बोलो तो.
Yes, sir.
सर सबमिट किए थे कल लेकिन
Hand in
वो
option, sir. There is a
लेट
hand in option. You need to click.
हैंड इन करना पड़ता है सर.
सर वर्क में लेट
hand in
दिखा
hand.
शो कर रहा था.
हाँ स्वर्णलता वो एक ऑप्शन आएगा क्या
Yes,
क्या
sir.
ऑप्शन है?
Turn in.
हैंड इन सर.
Turn in का हाँ yes. There will be option of turn in. You have to first turn in.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
ओके यू उत्कर्ष गुप्ता अटैचमेंट कोई अटैचमेंट नहीं है. शिवानी एंड शिवा
Yes, sir.
शिवा मंडवी.
Yes, sir.
शिवा यू हैव टू आल्सो टर्न इन.
Yes.
ओके तो आज मैं कुछ मैक्लॉरेन सीरीज के कुछ प्रॉब्लम में सॉल्व करूंगा अभी मैक्लॉरेन सीरीज का.
सर एक डाउट है सर.
हाँ बोलो.
x बाई 2 इंटू ई पावर एक्स प्लस 1 बाई ई पावर एक्स माइनस 1 उसका एक्सपेंशन चाहिए सर.
हाँ ओके यू मेंशन दिस इन ग्रुप ना.
Yes, sir. Somebody else mentioned it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
After
have a
class,
question.
After class, I will solve this. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Yesterday I was submitted assignment, but on that assignment part, your work is late. So submission is complete or not, sir?
Submission is complete.
Okay.
सर फॉर मी इट्स शोइंग
But
हैंडरिटन सर. सर
हेलो.
मुझे हैंडरिटन दिखा रहा है सर. उसकी मतलब है कि मैं सबमिट कर लिया है सर.
हाँ बाकी सबका सबमिट हो गया. मैंने बोला ना 2-3 नाम बस उसी को मिसिंग दिखा रहा है. बाकी सबका सबमिट हो गया.
ठीक है सर. थैंक यू सर.
2-3 में सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर मेरा भी लेट शो कर रहा था सर उस दौरान.
लेट सो ओके. आफ्टर 4 PM
आफ्टर 4 PM 4:02 में हम सबमिट किए थे. तो सबमिट करने में अपलोडिंग करने में देर हो गया था.
वही तो अगर 4:02 नहीं 4:01 भी हो जाए ना तो it will be shown that you have submitted late. ओके 4:01 भी हुआ क्योंकि टाइम फिक्स है.
बट
any marks for late, sir?
हेलो
सर किसी का लेट हुआ है सर तो मार्क्स डिडक्शन होगा तो.
1 by 1. पहले तरुण बोलो.
So, if someone have submitted the assignment late, we'll deduct the marks from the 10 because we haven't used Google Classroom and we don't know what is turn in. After 4 PM, I know what was it and then I turned in. So it was already 4:04. So we'll deduct my marks for this.
No marks reduction. I will check it. No marks reduction. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. First question. Wait. Wait 1 minute. There is a problem on Notepad. Notepad is not working.
Sir, unplug it.
Okay. Wait.
So you're not audible.
Oh, yes. So find Maclaurin series for ln 1 plus x and also for ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So we have done before ln
Sir,
1
it's
plus
1
x,
plus x.
1 plus x,
Mm.
x. that is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus so on. And similarly log of 1 minus x, it will be just put x equal to minus x here, and this will be minus of x minus x square minus x cube by 3 and so ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x, it will be just put the formula of log of 1 plus x minus log of 1 minus x. So x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus so on minus of x minus x square by 2 minus of x cube by 3 and so on. So this will be 2 into x plus x square by 2 cancel out, so x plus x cube by 3 plus x to the power 5 by 5 and so on. This is our question number 1. Question number 2. What will be the value of pi minus pi cube by factorial 3 plus pi to the power 5 by factorial 5 minus pi to the power 7 by factorial 7 and so on? So
0.
this is which series? This is of sine of
Sin
x. Sine x. So this will be sine of pi. And pi equal to 0. Similarly, what will be the value of e square 1 minus e square by factorial 2 plus e to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus e to the power 6 by factorial 6 and so on? This is the series of
Cos t.
this is a series of cos x, that is this will be cos of
e.
t. Okay. Number 4. Using 1 by 1 plus x equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on, find the Maclaurin series of 1 by 2 plus x. 1 plus 2 plus x. We have to put 1 plus 2 plus x just like this. So 1 by 2 plus x, just take 2 common, this will be 1 plus x by 2. So half of, now put the formula here, this formula, put x equal to x by 2. So this will be 1 by x by 2 plus x by 2 square minus x by 2 cube and so on. So this is
Sir, can we use 1 plus 1 plus x?
1 plus
1 plus x.
1 plus 1 plus x.
1 upon 1 plus 1 plus x.
This.
Yes, and replace the x by 1 plus s.
No, actually what happened, this x is less than 1. This x is
Using
less
this
than 1. No. Actually this x, this formula is valid for this x mod of x less than 1. So this value must be less than 1. For this, actually here we apply this formula.
Okay, sir.
By 4 plus x square by 8 minus x cube by 16 and so on. So this is our question number 4. Now 5. Find the Maclaurin series. Find the Maclaurin series for 1 plus x to the power m, where m is not necessarily an integer. It may be not an integer. M is not necessarily an integer. Then find Maclaurin series of 1 plus x to the power m. So here fx equal to 1 plus x to the power m. So f of 0 will be 1, f dash x is m into 1 plus x to the power m minus 1. So f dash 0, this will be m. F double dash x, this will be m into m minus 1 into 1 plus x to the power m minus 2. So f double dash 0, this will be m into m minus 1. Similarly, f triple dash x, this is m into m minus 1, m minus 2 into 1 plus x to the power m minus 3. So f triple dash 0, this is m into m minus 1, m minus 2. And similarly, kth derivative of fx, this will be by same process to up to m minus k minus 1, that is m minus k plus 1 into 1 plus x to the power m minus k. So f k derivative 0, m into m minus 1 up to m minus k minus 1, that is m minus k plus 1. So by Maclaurin series 1 plus x to the power m, this will be f of 0. What is the formula? F of 0 into x minus 0 f dash 0, x minus 0 square by factorial 2 f double dash 0, like this. So what is f0? f0 equal to 1 plus f dash 0 equal to m. So this is m into x plus f double dash 0 is equal to m into m minus 1. So m into m minus 1 by factorial 2, and this will be x square. Next, m minus 1, m minus 2 by factorial 3, x cube, and so on. M into m minus 1, m minus 2, dot m minus k plus 1 by factorial k, x to the k, and so on. This is an infinite series. Now if m is a positive integer, if m is positive integer, then the series will stop after when k equal to m. Then the series will stop when k equal to m, because after the derivative will be all equal to 0. So this is actually our binomial expansion, standard binomial expansion. Okay, using this formula, find out the Maclaurin series of, and this is our second part, Maclaurin series of 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. So this can be written as 1 minus x square to the power minus of, so here m equal to minus of in this formula, m equal to minus of, and x will be interchanged by x square. So by this formula we can write this
So
will
x
be
becomes
1
minus
plus
x square.
x become minus x square, right? Minus x square, right? So 1 plus m is minus of into x equal to minus x square plus minus of minus half minus 1 by factorial 2. This will be minus x square plus minus half minus 1 minus half minus 2 by factorial 3 and minus x square to the power cube and so on, and finally we get this value is half x square plus 3 by 8 x to the power 4 plus 5 by 16 x to the power 6 and so on. This is our question 6. Find Maclaurin series for sin square x using the series of cos of 2x, and hence find limit x tends to 0 sin square x minus x square by x to the power 4. Solution. Now sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2, right? Now 1 minus cos x, the formula of cos x is series of Maclaurin series of cos x will be 1 minus x square by 2 factorial 2 plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus x to the power 4 by factorial 6 and so on. So this will be 1 minus cos of 2x. So this will be 1 minus 2x square by factorial 2 plus 2x to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus 2x to the power 6 by factorial 6 and so on by 2. So 1 cancel. Now this becomes 2x square by factorial 2, 4x square by factorial, that is 2x square. This will be 2x to the power 4 by cube by 3 plus this will be 64x to the power 6 by 720 and so on by 2. This becomes x square minus x to the power 4 by 3 minus 2x to the power, that is plus 2x to the power 6 by 45 minus so on. So we get sin square x. So sin square x minus x square, that is by x to the power 4. So that is x square minus x to the power 4 by 3 plus 2x to the power 6, 45 and so on, minus of x square by x to the power 4. So this x square cancels and we get actually x to the power 4 by 3 plus 2x to 6 by 45 and so on by x to the power 4. So this is minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 45 x cube x square and minus the series actually. So if we take limit x tends to 0. So actually limit x tends to 0 here So limit will be
by 3.
-1/3.
-1/3.
-1/3 plus, and this time is all are 0
0. Yes.
0.
because we put x equal to 0, so all are 0. So limit equal to -1/3. Okay, 7. Find the first three terms in the Maclaurin series for cos of sin x, and hence find the limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos of sin x by x square. So cos of sin x. So cos x series, Maclaurin's cos x series, same, 1 minus x square by factorial 2 plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 minus x to the power 6 by factorial 6, and so on. And what is the series of sin x? Sin x will start from x cube by factorial 3 plus x to the 5 by factorial 5, and so on. Now cos of sin x, so put sin x in the place of x, so this will be 1 minus sin x square by factorial 2 plus sin x to the power 4 by factorial 4, and so on, this type of. So now put the series of sin x here, so this will be x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x to the power 5 by factorial 5 square by factorial 2 plus x minus x cube by factorial 3 plus x to the 5 by factorial 5 to the power 4 by factorial 4. Just we have to find the first three terms according to the power of x. So first term is 1. Now second terms we have to find in terms of power of x, that is x to the power 1. There will be no term of containing x. Now x square, here we get x square because this is this term whole x square, so we get x square of x square by factorial 2 we get from this. Then x cube, no x cube, x to the power 4. Yes,
Sir,
we can
why
get
you
x to the power 4.
commit 3 terms of sin x?
Huh?
So why you took only 3 terms of sin x?
Two terms of sin x.
Sir, you took only 3 terms of sin x, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x
What?
squared by
Oh, this
factorial.
is the question.
Sir, that is the question is asking for cos of
Three
sin
terms.
x.
Cos of sin x. First, we have to find the 3 terms for cos of sin x. 3 terms.
Sir, however,
Sir, we need to find.
the first 3 terms will be same now, sir.
Huh?
However, if we take the whole sin x expansion also, the first 3 terms in
First
cos
3
of
terms same.
same now.
First 3 terms same. Huh?
Okay.
We can't get x to the power 3 and coefficient will be 0. Now x to the power 4. Here we can get x to the power 4. So because this is 2ab, that is 2x into x cube by 3. 2x into x cube by 3 by factorial 3, and here also 2 factorial, these 2 factorial, and the minus sign is will be minus minus plus. Okay, now x to the 4 we can get also x to the 4, this x and power 4, so x to the power 4 by 4. Okay, now x to the 5, now we can get x to the 5 power of x to the power 4, x to the 5, x to the 6, but we do not know. I actually get 3 terms, so we get actually 3 terms. This will be x square by 2, and this is 2 to cancel out,
4 plus 6.
5x to the power 4 by 24 total. So this is our
Oh, yes,
3
yes,
terms.
sir.
Okay, these are 3 terms. Now find the limit. The limit is x tends to 0, 1 minus cos of sin x by x square. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus, this will be 1 minus x square by 2 plus 5x to the 4 by 24, so on, by x square. So if 1 cancel out, this will be minus half plus 5 by 24 x square, and so on, taking limit x tends to 0, so this will be just minus half plus all other terms 0, so limit is minus half. Now next question.
Sir, I have
Sir,
doubt.
plus 1 by 2 na.
1 by 2.
Plus,
1 by 2,
Plus
this will be plus 1 plus, na?
Yes,
This
sir.
is right. This is plus and this will be minus, so this is plus 1 by 2, right?
Sir, I have doubts.
Huh?
Sir, why did we write 2 there, sir? In 2 into x cube by 3 factorial into 2 factorial.
Here.
Yes, sir. Why did we write 2 there, sir?
A plus b plus c square. What is the formula? A square b square c square plus 2ab na? That's why I write 2 here. Plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca.
Sir, actually that term also we don't know, sir. The power is greater than 2. So we can ignore that term also without writing. Only writing 1 minus x square by 2 is enough, no, sir.
This, we do not need these terms because these terms will be actually, if we consider these terms b, so b square will be x to the power 6 by factorial 3 to the power square, right? So x to the power 6 comes. Okay, next question. Right. Next question. Find the same type of question. Find the first 3 terms. Find the first 3 terms in Maclaurin series for sine of sin x. First 3 terms, and then find the limit x tends to 0, x minus sine of sin x by x cube. Now asking someone wait. Okay. Now say Saurabh Kumar. Saurabh Kumar present. Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
So what will be first tell the Maclaurin series for sin x?
X minus x cube by 3 factorial.
Right.
Plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial.
Right.
And so on.
Okay. Now Akhil.
Sir,
So sin of sin x.
we can put sin x in the place of x, sir, in the above series. Sin x
minus
sin x whole cube by 3 factorial plus sin x whole power 5 by 5 factorial.
5 factorial and so on. Okay. Now just put the series of sin x here.
Yes, sir.
So this will be x cube by factorial 3, 5 by factorial 5, so 1 minus x cube by factorial 3, 5 by factorial 5, this cube by factorial 3 plus 5 by factorial 5. Okay. Now say Anushree.
Sir,
First term.
x minus x cube by 3 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial and again plus x power 5 by 5 factorial. And x power 7, sir, next.
Wait.
2x cube by 3 factorial, sir.
Oh, wait. This for x, this x. Okay. Next, x cube minus factorial 3. X cube minus factorial for this. Okay. Now, for this x, this will be again x cube minus factorial 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is x to the power 5, so no x cube. Now x to the power 5. For this x to the power 5, here x to the 5 by 5 factorial. Okay. Now for this x, we get also another x to the power 5 by 5 factorial.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And or we also get another x to the power 5 here for these two parts, x and this, right? So this will be actually a plus b plus c cube. So we get actually one part 3.
Excuse me sir. सर
हाँ,
साइन
what?
ऑफ साइन एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू जो सीरीज लिखे हैं आप, उसमें से केवल साइन एक्स को हम एक्सपेंड करके और साइन एक्स का क्यूब और साइन एक्स का पावर 5 है उसको एज यूजुअल छोड़ देंगे और लिमिट में उसमें पुट कर देंगे साइन ऑफ साइन एक्स का वैल्यू, तब भी तो सर बन जाएगा। क्यों कॉम्प्लिकेटेड करना, साइन एक्स के क्यूब को भी एक्सपेंड करना, उसके अंदर उसको क्यूब लगाना, ऐसे कुछ।
तो फर्स्ट 3 टर्म कैसे फाइंड करोगे?
Yes.
We have to find first 3 terms first, na? So another terms comes. It will be 3.
फाइंड करना है।
हेलो, क्या बोल रहे हो? फिर
एक्स के फॉर्म में फाइंड करना है उसको, एज यूजुअल ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हैं जैसे।
नहीं एक्स के फॉर्म में,
ओके,
इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स।
ओके सर।
And this will then there from 3 factorial, this 3 factorial for this 3 factorial and both 3 factorial 3 factorial 2 3 factorial and all other higher order terms. So actually we get x minus 2x cube by factorial 3 and 2 x to the 5 by 5 factorial, x to the 5 by 5 factorial and 3x to the power 5 by 3 factorial square. So finally we get x minus x cube by 3 and x to the power 5 by 10. These are first 3 terms. So x minus sine of sine x will be minus x cube by 3 plus x cube by 3 minus of x to the 5 by 10 and so on.
Sir, it will be 2x cube by 3.
2x cube by 3.
Yes sir.
That's 3 factorial.
Factorial. No. That is 3 factorial. 3 factorial. That means 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So 2 to cancel out. And नीचे है x cube. If we write x cube, it will be 1 by 3 minus x square by factorial x square by 10 and so on. Now if we take limit x tends to 0, so sine of sine x by x cube, this will be limit 1 by 3, another term will be 0, so limit is 1 by 3. Okay, ठीक है, अच्छा क्लास 8 तक अपना अटेंडेंस पूरी।
Sir, I have a question. So when in the question given the first 3 terms in the Maclaurin series, f of 0 and f dash 0 and f double dash 0 is English to is a vanishes, is become 0, then they can proceed further for finding the 3 terms. सर जब हम 3 टर्म को 0 बाइनिस कर देते हैं 3 फंक्शन, देन उसके बाद चौथा टर्म निकालने के बाद तीसरा 3 टर्म तक कॉन्सेक्यूटिव लिखना पड़ेगा। दैट्स आई एम आस्किंग टू यू।
हाँ लिखना पड़ेगा।
3 टर्म बाकी टर्म का क्या डेरिवेटिव 0 होगा?
यस सर, कहना ये चाह रहे हैं ना कि f of 0 0 है, f dash 0 0 है एंड f डबल डैश भी 0 है।
हाँ, तो बाकी तो फिर ना बाकी टर्म भी लिखना है। So how can you say that a triple dash or a 4 dash 0?
Yes,
you can't say.
Yes sir, if f of 0 is 0 and f dash 0 is 0 and f double dash is 0 and a question asking the first 3 terms in Maclaurin series, then we can proceed further for finding.
No, that type of question you are not be asked. Suppose x minus 1 to the power 4. Suppose this function.
सर आप जो असाइनमेंट में दिए थे क्वेश्चन उसमें था जो बाइनिस
उसमें
होते
था?
जा रहा था या
ओके ओके
वो था जो बाइनिस
ओके
होते जा
ओके
रहा था बट
हाँ हाँ
आगे प्रोसीड किए तो टर्म मिला जो जीरो नहीं आया देन
हाँ हाँ
प्रोसीड करके थ्री कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म्स लिखे थे
okay. Suppose this function x minus 1 to the power 4. Okay.
yes sir
And around the point x equal to 1, you have to find the Lagrange form.
yes
Then
sir
f dash 1 will be 0.
yes sir
F dash f double dash 1 will be also 0.
yes sir
But f 4 dash 1, that will be
some constant number
constant. In that case,
then then two term is banished which becomes zero then fourth derivative is 4 then we can proceed further for finding the three terms
हाँ
क्या मतलब आगे बढ़ सकते हैं तीन टर्म को प्राप्त
आगे
करने के लिए
आगे बढ़ सकते हो तुम
और यहीं तक छोड़ दिए तो क्या होगा सर आंसर मैच नहीं करेगा
आंसर मैच नहीं करेगा नहीं नहीं जितने
Yes,
टर्म होगा उतने टर्म को तुमको
क्वेश्चन में
एक्सपांड
था
करना
सर
पड़ेगा
जो आप असाइनमेंट में दिए थे ना उसमें था
हाँ
वो।
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है मैं चेक कर लूँगा
हेलो
ठीक है
सर
थैंक यू सर
हाँ
सर एक बार वो सॉल्व करो ना सर मतलब आ नहीं रहा x/2 into e power x plus 1 by e power x minus 1
sir
हाँ
that
मैं
question
वो
I
मैं
sent
सॉल्व
you
ओके ओके मैं सॉल्व करके ग्रुप में भेज दूंगा ठीक है
ठीक है सर
सर
तो x power 5 by 60 होगा सर
x
x minus
this type of na x
yes sir
minus e to the power x by
x by 2
this
into 1 into x by 2 into the whole into x by 2
okay leave it first find this series so you can write
plus
it
wasn't
like okay first we have to find this na
plus wasn't numerator minus wasn't denominator
plus 1 minus 1 right
yes sir now
so leave it first e to the power minus x plus 2 minus 1 so this will be 1 plus 2 by e to the power x minus 1 right
yes sir
can you write this 2 1 minus e to the power x
yes sir
okay now can you expand this 1 minus e to the power x as 1 by 1 minus x this formula
yes sir
this will be 1 plus x square x cube can you expand
yes
1
sir
plus e to the power x square and this type so if you can expand this
डन सर
sir
हो गया ना
okay sir
हाँ
yes
ओके
sir
सर थैंक यू सर
thank you
sir
okay
ओके हो गया ना तुम्हारा सॉल्व हो गया ना
हो गया सर
sir yesterday we were late to class sir
yesterday
so yesterday I was late to class you said no sir you have to join for a few seconds and then you have to leave
okay you submitted the assignment na
yes sir I submitted the assignments
oh then no problem
okay thank you sir
ठीक है अपने अटेंडेंस लिंक पे डाल दो